Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Gang, gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
What's up? I just can't never do nothing right. What's popping, y'all? If y'all see gel flakes in my hair, just know that I'm going through it. And you know what I'm saying? It's been a long week. It's Thursday night. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. Probably like 10 o'clock. But let me just show y'all my room. I don't want y'all to judge me. No, I'm not dirty. No food is in here. Nothing like that. But I just got clothes all over the place because I haven't been sleeping in here due to the fact that my bed literally broke on me and it was on the floor. So I hadn't been sleeping in here. I was just coming in here, changing clothes, leaving out for school, you know? And then the cycle just kept going and then boom. So I decided to film myself cleaning up my room because like that's kind of what people like to see. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna find some different angles to put y'all in. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. I'm sorry guys, I haven't really been making videos. I apologize. You know, just school and life, and I'll get into that in another video. We finna get back on the road. I'm finna get a new phone. I'm finna buy a camera. It's just about to be good. It's just about to be lit. My room is getting redone. It's just a lot, okay y'all? It's just a lot, okay? So just bear with me. But for right now, I'm just gonna clean up my room. I just use a plastic little bag to put all of my trash in, I guess. And I'm just gonna start focusing on dirty clothes versus clean clothes. So, yeah. I cannot wait to do a fall like lookbook with y'all. I know I've been saying for the longest time I'm gonna do a lookbook. And I know a lot of y'all like the way that I dress, so I'm really excited. I actually have something planned. I really have something planned this time. Normally I just be talking, but I really got something planned this time. And I cannot wait, so stay tuned. now it is 12. Yes, 12 a.m. on the dot. As you guys can see, I've got a lot done. My dresser looks way better than it did before. Those are all the dirty clothes. I'm about to put those in the washing machine. Let me just flip the camera. Now it's just like put up all of this stuff, and then most of that y'all see on my bed, like under those few clothes, is just a bunch of pillows. So it's not really that much to do, and then I just straighten up my bed, and then probably clean off my mirrors and do all that good stuff. But y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. So I am finally finished with my room. It is 1:39 in the morning. I have school tomorrow, but I'm used to this type of stuff, so oh well. But I'm just gonna give you guys like a, I guess like a little tour, just so y'all can see how it looked afterwards, because before I couldn't even walk in here without tripping over nothing. I was supposed to do my hair tonight. I don't think I'm gonna get around to that, but okay, let's just start. Space where I record now is all clean and stuff. My mirrors are clean and everything. I got my seat. Also, I just vacuumed my floors. I hope I didn't wake my mama. But this is still the same. And I just put my little makeup case on top of it because it's just convenient. All my purses are together. My bed is straightened. I'm not even going to sleep in here tonight, but you know, it just looks good. And I have all of my bag clothes right here in the corner. And then my dresser, y'all see it? It looks great. All my clothes neatly folded on my dresser. All of my clothes are in my drawer. My beauty corner looks the same. I'm just gonna give you guys like a full view of everything. This is what my room looks like now. But got a surprise. I just did all this cleaning up, and I'm not even gonna have this bed. This bed is not gonna be here tomorrow. These walls are not gonna be this color anymore. These floors are not gonna be here anymore. This dresser is not gonna be here anymore. I just did this video for you guys. This is like a say goodbye to my room, I guess, because I really love my room. Like, I really like my room, and a lot of other people like my room too, but it's about to change literally completely, so I don't think that I'm ready. And everything is gonna start tomorrow, and yes, I'm gonna be vlogging it because I know a lot of people like to see room transformations and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also hit that subscribe button. Y'all better subscribe because it is 1 something in the morning and I'm up cleaning up. I'm about to take a shower and get in the bed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.